Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. And today I'll be talking about how to borrow airtime on Telecel. So if you are thinking of borrowing airtime on Telecel, then this video is for you. So kindly open your dialer and dial the USSD code star 505 hash. So it is the code that will help you to borrow airtime on Telecel. Yeah, so based on your usage, that will determine the amount of airtime that you can borrow. So in here, realize in here the amount that I can borrow is in here. So maybe I want to borrow maybe something less. So let me select 3 more SOS credit. Let me borrow 50 pesos. So select the amount that you want to borrow, and that's it. You are done. Your airtime will be sent to you. So that's how easy and simple it is to borrow airtime on Telecel. So if you find this video helpful and useful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, give the video a like, and also give a sweet comment. Okay, see you in the next video.